responsible for. Okay, got it. What can you do with 4G?
Get a free 3G, 4G card from Sprint. It's more than a wireless network. It's a wireless revolution.
Shop smarter and eat fresher.
You will have fresh mint almost year-round.
Food expert George Zaidan shows you the way.
Turns out that your kitchen has its own weather. Cook it or eat it raw. That's good.
Learn how to use weather to get the most out of your meals.
Oranges are very sensitive to the cold. That is how weather makes wine.
Seasoned with weather. Tomorrow morning on Weekend View. And visit weather.com/seasoned for great recipe ideas.
Your body will thank you for it.
A severe thunderstorm watch is in effect for our area. Currently in our area, 73 degrees with a thunderstorm. Our local Doppler radar. Our week ahead.
Hi everyone. Well, we have certainly been tracking severe weather all the way from Texas to places in Maryland. So let's go now live to Washington, D.C. and Veronica Johnson, a meteorologist with WRC.